In this video, we will demonstrate how to get Wi-Fi passwords using command prompt and personal computer.
Please take a moment to visit my channel, as it offers valuable content that can help you expand your knowledge. Your subscription would be greatly appreciated.
Thank you, dear subscribers and viewers, for your unwavering support and enthusiasm. Your presence is the driving force behind our channel's growth and success. We're grateful for every like, comment, and share that keeps us motivated to create and share more content with you. We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below. Find your Wi-Fi password using personal computer. Find your Wi-Fi password using command prompt.